get ready to install this shower valve. And see right here, this is where I'm gonna attach the new PVC pipe, but you gotta clean it. This tool right here, you gotta, you can call it the burr. But you do this basically, clean the old one out so you can get a great connection. It's supposed to look like that. Get all that. See how this one, still gotta clean it. When you attach, I'm basically putting sharp bite, whether you put sharp bite or if you're resoldering it, it shouldn't look like that. It needs to look like this. So I'm gonna do those three right there. Clean those three, and then this is where my manifold is gonna sit, and it should be flush against this wall, so it'll be right there. And then I'm gonna attach it to this wood piece right here so it won't move. Yep. Alright, so when applying PVC, you need to get you some purple primer and all-purpose cement. Let's see if we can get that. That right there. And when you want to attach these, you put the primer on the depth that it's gonna go. Alright, so when you connecting these pipes, you want to put the primer on the inside, like so. And then you do it all. Put the primer on the inside. You put it on the depth of the outside that it's gonna go, like that. And right behind it, while it's still wet, it's important that you put it on there while it's still wet. And then get your glue, your cement, rub it on the outside, and then you put it on the inside. Then go ahead, when you press this down all the way till it attaches, then turn it halfway up. Once you get that right there, you wipe the excess off. Wipe that excess off, let that dry. Usually dry, I think it dries in, says usually like 20 minutes. Well, it usually say I think like 30 minutes, but it dries way before that. That's pretty much it. All right, kids, this is the wrong way to use the nail gun. The improper, don't try this at home. And of course, in here, jack squat. This guy here is crazy, man. So I'm done with the plumbing in here. Just got through installing the sharp bites, new plumbing, make sure it's not leaking. Comes up here. Also replace the valve. I'm about to show y'all how to do that now. And supply lines. Now I'm about to replace the shutoff valves, those 3 shutoff valves, and the supply lines. Show you how to do that now. So with these 2 that I have to cut them off with these pipe cutters. These are soldered on, but the toilet shutoff valve is compression fitted. So I'll be changing up to the compression multi-angle, these right here. Let's see if it focuses. Boom. Oh. Yeah, these right here. So first thing you do is cut these off. So you want to get like a little, you can get any kind, but like when you're in tight areas like this, I would suggest buying a one that's like this, a pipe cutter that's like this, where you can get in tight angles. So you want to cut it as close to the old one as possible. That's what I tend to do. I'll show y'all how tight I have it right now. So you want to get it as close to the old shutoff valve when you cut it off, so you have more pipe. Kind of get it on there snug, but not too tight where it can kind of cut through. Basically, just turn it around one pass, do it again a little bit tighter. Again, get back, tighten it up again, about a quarter turn. And basically, you just keep, every time you make one full turn, tighten it up a little bit more. So make like a clean cut, and it doesn't squeeze the, it won't squeeze the copper too tight. Cause then you gotta kind of, you have like a squish and not a complete circle. And that's it. That's pretty much it. And when you do this, all right, so when you make one cut, you need one of these. It's basically a copper cleaner, and you always want to clean the pipe after you cut it, so it gets like you won't have all that trash in it. Just kind of go like this. And I always go like a little bit back. Corrosion and gunk off of it. Now, it's not necessary to do like the inside because it's only going out, but I also clean, I don't know, just out of habit, I clean the inside too. Just out of habit with messing with copper. Just kind of spin that out. And that's pretty much it. It should look like this. So I don't know if I can see how it's not a complete circle. That's what you want to kind of avoid. So you use this to kind of, a tool. Usually I have pipe, this is my other pipe cutter. And basically like kind of deburs it and rounds it back out a little bit. Put that in there. And usually when you do this, like this, like for soldering, so you have a clean. I just do it anyway. Kind of rounds it back out a little bit. And then with the compression fit, put this nut on first, and it comes with this little washer right here. So you put this on first, and that's why it helps to have this round as possible, so it slides in there and you kind of twist it on there, and you put the ring right over it like so. And that's why it's important to clean these clean the copper so it get a good connection. And then you just put this on like this, and then you push it flush, and then you turn it I think it's counterclockwise. Then you turn it counterclockwise on this one. Usually it's clockwise when you tighten, but when you're installing these, you turn it the opposite way. And another tool you'll need when I'm replacing this is highly suggested some plumber's wrench, or some people call it monkey wrenches, or you can use a crescent wrench. I usually just use my plumber's wrench and channel locks, and I use my channel locks to hold the new shutoff valve so it doesn't turn. So I hold it like that. Tighten it. And you don't want it too tight, but you just want it tight enough. Never want to over tighten. And that's it. That's how you change a shutoff valve. Well, this is how it's look now. Everything that got primed and installed the drywall. Only thing left on the drywall is right here, because we gotta fix gotta fix that pipe right there, and then put the drywall there. It's a light right here. Thought it was a light in here. Drywall in here. So yeah. Pretty much the only thing that needs to be done now is the paint. Fix this heat in here. Got everything primed up. All the plumbing is basically done. Yeah, that's the update. All right, now, what you doing, Beer Can? What you doing is caulking. About to spackle it, and then get it primed and prepped for paint. And crown molding going up there. Crown molding. Get ready to put the base. Oh, he already got the baseboards now. Gonna get all the baseboards, install it, replace the doors, install that. And then these are the baseboards right here. And there's gonna get painted right here. Got the doors, got the paint, copyright. That fixed.
Up here, that just be gone. You got to pull it up. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You didn't put it in what you call it. It's going uphill right now. It's going uphill. That nigga here. I'll put it back. Put it. No.
These boys here trying to pull the truck. Friday workday shenanigans.
Right there.
These boys swear they bodybuilders out here.
Little bit more.
There's good old Dodge.
There you go. Right up. You got it in neutral?
Sometimes you gotta, after a long hard week, you gotta hang out and have fun, have a good time.
Back up a little bit.
These boys out here playing. These boys playing out here too much, man.
Alright. That ain't neutral, that's dry. Yeah, that's neutral. Come back a little bit. You keep coming all the way forward. Oh, yeah, good. Put it downhill and then back uphill. Right there. There you go.
Let's see.
You gotta get low, Tom. Yeah. It's uphill now, that's it.